Hey guys, welcome back. Happy Dhanteras and happy Diwali in advance. In today's video, I will be showing you a comparison of 5 different ideas to clean brass under 1 minute. So let's get started. So let's kick things off with this super easy, lazy, cheap, affordable method. Well, all of these ideas are cheap. So what you do is take some toothpaste on a toothbrush and scrub the idle for about a minute or so, and you'll see the dirt will come right off. Once you've done scrubbing, give it a nice rinse and look at that. Awesome! The next one we are trying is a paste made from adding equal proportions of whole wheat flour or atta, white vinegar, lemon juice and salt. Just mix it all together and scrub the brass figurine using this paste. Look at that shine. I was pleasantly surprised by this one. The next one we are trying is again a super easy one using lemon juice and baking soda. So I took about a tablespoon of baking soda and added juice of half a lemon and mixed those together and scrubbed it over the idol. You can use a Scotch-Brite here too if you want. Once you have done scrubbing, give it a nice rinse. And there we go. The next one that we are trying is the tamarind imli method. So I just took some tamarind that we get from Indian store here and soaked it in hot water. Once you see it form a pulp consistency, we are good to go. So I just sprinkled some salt over this diya and then just use that imli pulp to clean off the diya. It looks messy, but it really works. See that shiny looking diya there? Apparently, imli. I never thought we could use imli to clean brass, but this stuff works. The next one we are trying out is using Barkeeper's Friend. So this solution is actually easily available at all major grocery stores, and I've heard it works great for cleaning brass items, so let's put it to test. So again, using a toothbrush, I just scrubbed the brass figurine for about a minute or so and gave it a rinse. And the results were awesome. It took some of the deeper stains off as well. So those were 5 different ideas to clean brass under 1 minute. Let me know which one is your favorite, or if you have any new ones. I'd love to hear your feedback. Please leave me a comment in the comment section down below. If you like this video, you know the drill. Please like, share and subscribe. I'll see you guys soon. Thanks so much for watching. Bye for now.